Friday on Street Signs. Take a look at the Korean won, KRW, 10.9020. It's slightly softer against the dollar. This is after the Bank of Korea kept rates on hold at 175 for the second month in a row. Let's get up to Seoul, SBS CNBC, and YOON. Good morning.
Good morning, Martin. That's right. The Bank of Korea has left rates unchanged at a record low of 1.75%. As expected by a majority of economists, there had been some speculation that there may be further cuts given the slowdown in exports and also increasing levels of household debt. But it does look like the moderate recovery that we're seeing and also improvement in the domestic demand were strong enough not to warrant a further cut. In terms of market reaction, Korean won isn't reacting too much to this, but the stock market did not react too well. There was a negative reaction after this was released. I would say a pretty sharp drop after the rate decision. We were going strong on the Kospi, up about 1% early this morning, but is now down to 2/3%. By sector, actually, the blue chips are showing a steep drop. Names like Samsung Life Insurance, POSCO, and Shinhan Financial, all major names on the Kospi, are down more than 2% after the rate decision. Also, take a look at the airlines this morning. Korean Airlines reported earnings after market closed yesterday. The first quarter earnings beat market expectations for Hanjin-Ka. Korean Airlines came in below market expectations, but we saw a pretty strong start for both of these names this morning. But we are now seeing Korean Airlines down by 1% after the rate decision came out. Also, take a look at the retailers. We are seeing weakness for this sector as well. Shinsegae, which has been trading up 20% in the last 2 trading days, has now turned down. It is now posting a loss this morning of about 2/3%. Lotte and Hyundai are both also down about 1% this morning as well. This morning, they were really rallying on expectations that the in-city duty-free store license bidding would really help these companies get a new business model in terms of new business sources. But again, we are seeing weakness across the board on the Kospi since the rate decision. Oriel, back to you.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much for the update there. Let's get a look at the Forex majors and see how they're holding.